Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Green Dot to bank account. So if you're using Green Dot card and want to move money to your personal bank account, you can do it in just a few easy steps. So the first step is logging into your Green Dot account. Open the Green Dot app on your phone or go to the greendot.com's page. Log in with your account credential. Once you're in, tap on the pay or transfer money option in the main menu. Now, select transfer money to begin moving funds. Green Dot allows you to send money either to another Green Dot user or to an external bank account that you own. To connect a bank, you will need its routing and account numbers. Now, enter your bank's routing number and account number when prompted. Double check the details to avoid errors, and Green Dot may take up to 1 to 2 business days to verify your account before the first transfer. Once linked, type in how much money you want to move, and transfers are typically free via ACH, though processing can take 3 to 5 business days depending on your bank's schedule. Now, you can review information and tap send money or transfer, and you will receive a confirmation message once the transfer starts. You can check the transaction status anytime under the transaction history in your app. A tip: for faster access, you can also use Green Dot's instant transfer feature to eligible debit cards for a small fee. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.